Okay guys, as per request, bibigyan ko kayo ng listahan ng parts or dapat i-upgrade sa CR152 job style or bridge style nyo. Alright, first on the list is yung gulong. Stock tires ni CR152 is madulas. Changing it to big tires will enhance your overall bike stance and looks. Pangalawa is yung handlebar. Ang job style handlebar is isa sa mga key components sa concept na to. Pangatlo is fenders and grab bar. Isa din sa mga key components ng concept na to ang long fenders and grab bar. Pangapat is headlight and turn lights. Headlight should be small, classic round in size, and turn light should be bullet type or mini round indicators. And lastly, the seat. The seat should be long and flat, minsan slightly raised and curved siya for style and support. Katulad itong nasa picture. Comment na lang kayo pag may questions kayo and don't forget to follow. Ride safe mga bossing, until next video.